He wants to dance with you, Kenyan style.
Yeah, do it with hearing. What?
There's some conversation going on here.
Yeah?
Some serious conversation.
We're talking about cramp election. So we should go there.
Shabir, would you want to go on a date with her?
It's totally fine, but my parents will kill me.
What are you doing here?
I am making a phone call.
No, I mean, what are you doing here?
Yes, here. I'm here.
Don't leave your job until YouTube will start paying you double of your job.
Okay. And that makes sense. So guys,
Don't leave your job. YouTube will makes you to leave. Yeah.
where do you get these carrots from?
We come from Maunaro.
Where?
Maunaro.
Where is it exactly? This?
इसने रात को चोरी किया था वहाँ से.
Let's go! Yalla! The empty streets of Nairobi! Wow! I love it! Funny people!
Your hand like this, so that when they steal, it remains on your hand.
Oh, okay. We are passing through downtown.
Yeah.
I think I've been here before.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What were you vlogging about?
No, I think the first time I came to Kenya, Nairobi, I was staying in downtown.
Which hotel or which place?
It was illegal apartment, some shady place.
You remember the name of the streets?
Yeah, Kilimanjaro. No, I don't know what was the exact name. No, not Kilimani. Anyways,
Okay.
but it was quite a shady place. Later I got to know, I realized the next day.
Dio.
Unajita namna gani?
And this is
Uh-huh.
Priya.
Priya, how are you, Priya?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, we are good.
Okay, let's
Yeah, you're going to
see
quick
that.
mart?
Yes.
Yeah?
My sweetheart, baby.
Right. Okay. Okay, let's just cross the road quickly.
Yeah.
The special guest is waiting for us. I think he's somewhere here only.
The Archdiocese of Nairobi Church, St. Peter's Clavers Catholic Church.
Oh,
Yeah. Because of this, like church thing.
St. Peter's Clavers Church.
So welcome to the chaotic downtown.
This is downtown Nairobi. You have to be a little careful in here with your belongings, okay? Hold it tight. Don't let it go under any excitement. Oh, I think he's somewhere here.
OTC. Yeah, quick man.
Oh, this was the girl?
No, she was in red.
Okay. Let's just find him. He's waiting for us. Shall I call him?
Quite quick man.
Okay. Quick march. He does.
Sister, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you, my darling.
Karibu Kenya.
Karibu Nairobi.
Nairobi, Karibu.
Nairobi, Kenya.
Yes. Whoa, the energy here. Love it.
Jane, you have a new name. You are called Jane.
Jen. My God, I'm looking for the special guest, and here he is. Hey! Hi.
How are you?
Nice. Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, really nice to meet you. Hello, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
But be careful of your camera and phone also. Yeah,
yes.
it's not much safe.
Yeah.
So we have to go this way.
Let's see.
Okay. Someone told me that the market is over there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you have much more knowledge than me. Yeah, because I'm just a
I was
visitor
looking
here.
for the street food. They're telling me it's on that side, but it starts at 6 p.m.
What is
So we
going
can
on?
start shooting what's
There's some conversation going on here.
Yeah.
Some serious conversation.
We're talking about Trump election. So we should go there.
By the way, let me introduce you to the guest.
Yeah. So you can say I'm a small YouTuber, not much.
No, very big YouTuber.
No, I have a really small amount of subscribers.
Not at all. He's just lying, being a little modest. He's Shabir from a very special country, my bordering country, I would say Pakistan. And I never thought I'll meet him in Kenya, Africa. My God, it is such a big surprise, honestly.
Really for me, I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah, same here. I mean, last night I just posted a story on Instagram and he replied to me. And I wasn't even aware that he's in the same country. And I feel so happy to meet him today. We'll be exploring the streets of Nairobi, Kenya together with him. Are you excited?
I'm really excited, yeah.
Have you been to Nairobi before?
Yeah, of course. It's my third time here.
Oh, okay. So how do you find the people here? Do you like it?
I really like them because, you know, they're so innocent.
Yeah.
I which I thought in my mind. They're so innocent, yeah.
And there's such a positive aura and vibe. No matter how much hardships they have, but they don't forget to smile, you know.
Yeah, of course, right.
They don't forget to enjoy their life. Whoa, look at this, the downtown Nairobi. How chaotic.
There is a market over there, and you will see like it's kind of a slum. Yeah. So I think it's better for us to go there.
Come, let's go.
Yeah, we're going that side.
Let's explore the streets of Nairobi. All right, Habaria. What a vibe, yeah! I really like Afrobeats. Whoa! So we are just passing through the street market here in downtown.
You are good.
Yes. I don't understand what they talk. Do you know Swahili?
Yeah, maybe they're talking Swahili.
Yeah, the market that we're passing through is a street market, and as you know, in Nairobi there are two types of market. Once you see the big malls here which sell luxury items at and which are very expensive, and the second one
There are some ladies.
Yeah,
Who want
they're
to talk to
calling
you.
you.
Yeah.
sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so
You
busy.
want to talk?
Hi. You want to say hi to my YouTube?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
You
How
are so
you?
beautiful.
We are good. So are y'all lovely looking ladies, I must say. I'm in love with y'all. So what I was saying is there are two types of markets here. One is which that you see in the mall. They sell all luxury and expensive items. And the second one is the local street market wherein the prices are pretty reasonable and cheap. Of course, the stuff that you get there will be pre-owned or some might be new, but mostly they are pre-owned or a little or second-hand, you can say. Like you see these bags here. Whoa, the backpack. How much for this?
3,000. Yeah.
3,000 shillings. Yeah. See, you see the quality here.
But there is also local handmade bags. You can see this one.
Yeah.
So they used to carry their local stuff, like to transport their stuff. Also, they put their local stuff inside. And you can say this one. This is also their local bags.
Correct.
Yeah.
But you see, these are not new.
Yeah.
Like, you can just make
say
out
it's
the
a used one. Yeah.
Correct. That's why they are pretty cheap. Cheaper than what you usually get in the malls or other
From
places.
where we can get the food and also their food items or etc. something.
The street food starts at 6 p.m.
Oh.
Yeah, but this area,
Okay.
the other side.
Oh, she's braiding her hair.
Yeah.
Can I come and have a look at it?
Yeah, of course you can go inside.
Whoa, look at the way she's braiding her hair. I love it. I did it when I came to Mombasa the last time.
Yeah.
What is this braid called? What kind of braid?
King.
Fluff kinky. This looks pretty. So you are adding these extensions on her hair.
Yeah.
And how much does it cost?
The hair, the braids.
The braids.
The braids is 500
500 shillings only.
only.
That's
Wow.
the braids. What about to do the hair?
To do the hair is 600.
Only 600
Like this.
shillings.
Yeah. You see?
Whoa, I wish I could get it done, yeah, but I have to get back to Mumbai tomorrow in a plane. Otherwise, I would have done it. Next time I come here, I'll get it done from her. What's your name?
Okay, Maureen.
Maureen. Nice to meet you, Maureen.
Thank you.
Bye.
Nice.
Whoa, just for 600 shillings, you can braid your hair. And easy. Next
Yeah.
time I'm doing it.
So that's 1,100.
Yeah.
You have to buy the braids. And then
But I can do it with my natural
Oh
hair.
yeah, yours is natural.
Yeah.
In fact, yours will go down because it's your own hair.
Yeah. It's pretty cheap. Whoa, they're selling mangoes here. Just how much it is for? 20 shillings. This is so cheap. In India, it's very expensive. I'm telling you, you don't find such cheap mangoes.
They sell it in India like a piece of mango.
Not a piece, a kg. So like for 6 mangoes, you have to pay 500.
500.
Depending on the quality, the different types of mangoes.
500.
There's Alfonso mango, there's Kesri, yeah.
How much is that in dollar?
500 INR, 8 5 are 40, around $8.
$8.
$8.
But in Pakistan, you can get in $50.
That's 400.
Yeah.
Mangoes.
Yeah, mangoes. 1 kg in $50 in Pakistan only.
Okay, but I'm talking about top-notch quality. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Top-notch.
There is also quality.
Quality, depending on the quality of the mangoes. Yeah, but I've heard that avocados and mangoes are pretty cheap here in Kenya.
They are calling you.
Hey, hi! What are you all selling today? Oh, there's some, they're eating meal. Okay. Let them. Yeah, only English.
You are going to India.
I come from India.
We love you. We love you.
I love you too.
Yes.
You look so pretty.
Thank you. What are you looking for? Oh no, I can understand.
I don't understand.
Even
Yeah, but your lashes look lovely.
thank you.
Such lovely looking ladies. All right.
हमारे ऐसे होता है इंडिया में, खासकर अगर आप देखें पाकिस्तान में देखें ना, तो हमारी औरतें वैसे परेशान होती हैं। घर में फ्री बैठी हूँ, सारा दिन बंदा कमा के लाता है, तो वो कहते हैं कि तू मेरे वास्ते कीता की है, यानी कि तुमने मेरे लिए क्या किया है, ठीक है। और इनको अगर हम देखें तो वो सारा दिन बेचारी यहाँ पे हार्ड वर्क कर रही हैं। उसने अपना छोटा सा बच्चा यहाँ पे पकड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है, साथ अपने बच्चे को वो कैरी कर रही है और साथ यहाँ पे स्टफ बेच रही है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे आप यू कैन सी कि उनकी लाइफ कितनी डिफिकल्ट है। तो जो इंडिया से खासकर औरतें देख रही हैं, उनको शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए यार कि उनके लिए मतलब वो एक बहुत अच्छी लाइफ जी रही हैं एज कम्पेयर टू देम।
Yes. Shabir, how are things in Pakistan, by the way?
Pretty well.
Well, I
Just
hope.
same like India, nothing different.
I hope someday I get a chance to come to your country.
You should come. You should come, and you will see. Oh, it's totally different. What I had in my mind.
And I completely agree with that. I just feel the media is just spreading. It's just what do you say, rumors or propaganda.
You know, let me tell you one thing. Maybe lots of people will not believe on it.
Uh-huh.
By myself, I have a bank account in Jaipur, India.
What are you saying?
Yes, it's true. I'm using Indian bank account
Okay, but
Yeah.
how is that possible?
just because of my one friend. I have his ID. I used to open an account there,
Uh-huh.
and now I have his access.
Oh, I see. But
Now you can judge the relationship between Indians and Pakistani. We
Yes.
are really close to each other.
we are, and you know, people there are really sweet. Whenever I come across any Pakistani in a different country, they're so very friendly and warm. And I'm sure this is just a propaganda. One day I dream, you know, it's my dream to visit Pakistan, Afghanistan. Once I get visa, I would want to visit, and you know,
I think it's really easy for you to get visa, not much hard.
for Pakistan visa.
Yeah, of course, it's easy for you. You can get easily.
I don't think so. It's
You can get easily.
How?
Yeah, just you need to. I think you can apply through e-visa portal. Yeah, you just need to get a sponsor from Pakistan, so I'm available for you. You don't need to worry about it. Yeah.
Okay, now Shabir will sponsor me. Let's
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
Maybe someday in future,
Sure.
we both will explore each other's country
Yeah.
and we'll show the world how peaceful and friendly both the nations are towards each other. Yeah. Whoa, she's getting her pedicure done.
Yes. At my office. I'm at the office right now. So
Wow, I love your office. Really hardworking lady you are, and you deserve all the pamper that you're
I think
getting.
you want to impress your husband.
oh yeah.
Whoa, love it. So which color are you planning to apply to your nails?
Black.
Black. Oh, that's nice.
You will definitely look pretty. Yeah, she's going to record you after when she will put it on YouTube. Lots of people will come to you and say, "Oh, I have you stole my heart." People will say to you.
Shabir, would you want to go on a date with her?
It's totally fine, but my parents will kill me. If they are watching, I'm really sorry. I'm with her. I'm not going to do anything.
All right.
And you can record our hard-working cameraman. How she's doing this.
So this is the largest vegetable market here. You see. So the women take veggies from here, and then they go in the main market and sell it over there. What's the name of this place? Madua market, guys. The largest vegetable market in Madua. Muthurwa market is one of Nairobi's most vibrant marketplaces, showcasing the spirit and culture of the city. Open from early morning until late night, bustling with tourists and locals all day, visitors can explore an extensive range of stalls selling everything from fresh veggies and fruits to traditional Kenyan crafts, textiles and clothing. Here you can eat local delicacies such as samosas, ugali, corn, juices and much more at very reasonable prices. As you wander through the market, you will encounter friendly vendors eager to share their stories and recommendations. Engaging with locals not only enhances your shopping experience but also provides insights into the daily lives of Nairobi's residents. Muthurwa market promises unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Nairobi. What are you selling?
language, From your language.
No English. Okay, he doesn't understand, but he's working at the moment. While I was filming, he wanted to be clear.
Okay, what are you doing?
I am making a video for my YouTube.
On your YouTube.
Yes.
Come and analyze me.
Huh?
Come and speak with me.
What?
Come and speak with me.
Okay, speak. You understand English?
Yeah,
Do you have a shop here?
yeah.
Which one?
I'm selling this carrot.
Oh, you're selling this carrots. How much?
It's 200.
200 for one.
Yeah, for one.
One bucket.
Yeah,
All of it.
yeah,
Oh, okay. And daily you open your shop here?
yeah,
This is your workplace.
yeah.
Where do you get these carrots from?
They come from Maunaro.
Where?
Maunaro.
Where is it exactly? This
इसने रात को चोरी किया था वहाँ से.
Another town.
No. My God, but I like the way he's sitting here like a boss.
Yeah.
Boss man
Okay.
selling carrots.
Yeah?
Give me something.
She don't have. She have nothing. She's also about to get money from your video. She's here to get money. She don't have.
All right, let's go from this place now. We're exiting this market. It's called the Madura Street Market, wherein you get veggies, clothes, all random stuff, daily stuff here at a cheap, reasonable price. Oh. What is honestly happening there? I want to see.
My friend, come here.
Hi, how are you?
Where are you going?
I'm going to show them how much hard work they are doing in there.
All right, you are free.
I know, I'm free. So I think they're transporting goods in this vehicle here. Oh, ho. Transport service.
How are you?
Hi.
I'm going to sit down.
What are you doing here?
I am making a phone call.
No, I mean, what are you doing here?
Yes, here. I'm here.
Okay, I think they're transporting goods to a different place here.
Yes.
Actually, I think they got goods from other country and now they are about to sail.
Hey,
it.
you.
Yeah. You see there also, see they're just loading everything and they'll be taking it to different parts of Kenya maybe.
You know, the tires come here in black,
This one?
smuggled one.
I'm eating my
Oh,
head
okay.
now.
I wasn't aware of that. So these are tire, they're sold in black. Okay.
Nasema you are eating maembe now.
There's another one of us here. Her name is
They
Babylai.
want to say hi to you.
Okay, hi.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good, how are you?
Going to sit down.
Okay.
You are okay?
What are you doing up there?
We are doing something very creative up there.
What is so creative up there?
They are doing something creative. You see, they are loading the vehicle there.
Loading. And where is this vehicle going? No, no, Tok Tok. It's in Kenya itself. Ah, I see. Okay, I get it. So they're taking this vehicle to Neo Tok Tok. They're loading the vehicle.
Are you taking to? Are you taking to?
What happened?
This video, we are taking a video.
YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yes. All right. The goods vehicle being transported to different parts of Kenya. And for Dar es Salaam, we get bus from there, right? Yeah, we get bus from there.
See, with the foreigners, they were asking you guys, oh, you're taking videos.
Yeah.
Oh, they also asked the foreigners.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I thought they don't ask foreigners. I really thought they don't ask.
Hi, even me. Hi.
There's something really meaningful that Shabir has just said, and I want
I
to
said to her that don't leave your job until YouTube will start paying you double of your job.
Okay, and that makes sense. So guys,
Don't leave your job. YouTube will makes you to leave. Yeah. So you don't need to worry about it.
thought of the day, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I've been confused for a really long time, but I think after meeting Shabir, my confusion is clear.
He wants to dance with you, Kenyan style.
Yeah, do it with him. Fanye.
Alright guys, that is it from Nairobi, Kenya. Exploring the streets and meeting two good vloggers from different countries, Shabir and Andy C. It was indeed a pleasure meeting y'all. Shabir and Andy C. I hope I get a chance to meet y'all again someday soon in future. I'll end my vlog here itself, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I shall see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Alright, these guys wanted to say something. You all want to say something? They've been waiting for a really long time.
She's going to buy for us food.
Hey!
Yeah.
Okay.